Tired of Steam mops that promise sparkling floors, but leave streaks barely clean or quit after a few uses? Or maybe you've been scrolling through Amazon, overwhelmed by options, and wondering which one actually works in a US home? You're not alone. In this video, I am breaking down what really matters when picking the best steam mop for your home, the insider tips most salespeople won't tell you. I've researched and selected 5 of the best steam mops that real users are loving, and you can grab them on Amazon with links in the description. Stick with me till the end, because I'll also reveal the biggest mistake almost everyone makes, and it could save you hundreds of dollars. Before you drop $100 plus on a fancy model, here's what really matters for US homes so you can clean smarter. First up, steam output and heat up time. You want strong steam that heats up fast, ideally under 30 seconds, so you're not waiting forever while messes sit. Next, mop head design. Swivel or triangular heads make it easy to get around beds and kitchen islands, while rotating heads tackle corners like a pro. Water tank capacity is another key factor. Bigger tanks mean fewer refills, but make sure the mop isn't so heavy it's a workout on your hardwood or tile. Cord length and maneuverability make a big difference. A 20-foot cord or swivel head helps you reach under furniture without constantly unplugging. Attachments and versatility are bonus points. Handheld steamers, grout brushes, and carpet gliders let you clean more than just floors. Don't forget floor compatibility. Hardwood, laminate, vinyl, and tile each need the right settings to avoid warping or streaks. One big mistake people make is buying a steam mop just because it promises high steam power. More steam isn't always better. Too much heat can damage certain floors or leave streaks if not properly controlled. Always match the mop steam level to your floor type. Safety and durability also matter. Ensure the mop has auto shut-off and a sturdy handle. And finally, don't skip US-based warranty and customer support. For you, we've picked 5 best steam mops based on different needs, and you can grab them from Amazon, links in the description. At number 5, we have the Nugo 10-in-1 Steam Mop for floor cleaning, a powerful and versatile cleaner built for every corner of your home. With a 1,200-watt motor producing steam up to 230 degrees Fahrenheit, it delivers deep cleaning power that cuts through grime and grease using only water. No harsh chemicals needed. The 15.2-ounce removable water tank gives you extended cleaning time, while the 23-foot cord allows wide coverage without frequent unplugging. This multi-purpose steamer easily converts into a handheld steam cleaner and comes with 10 attachments, including angle and flat nozzles, brushes, a window tool, and even an ironing brush, perfect for everything from floors and tiles to grout, kitchen surfaces, and upholstery. The adjustable steam mode lets you choose between gentle cleaning for hardwood and laminate floors. Users love that it's lightweight, flexible, and adjustable in height, meaning no bending or wrist strain during long cleaning sessions. Customers rave about its quick heat-up time, ready in under a minute, and appreciate how effortlessly it removes tough spots and sticky messes. Many highlight its versatility, saying it performs well on vinyl floors, carpets, and even RV interiors. Who should buy this? Ideal for anyone who wants an eco-friendly, chemical-free cleaning tool that handles multiple surfaces with ease. It's especially great for busy households with kids or pets. For the latest prices, check the links in the description. Stay tuned, because our next pick offers even better cleaning performance. At number 4, we have the Sprobel 11-in-1 Steam Mop, a versatile, heavy-duty cleaning companion that makes tackling dirt, grease, and grime effortless. With 260 degrees Fahrenheit of powerful steam, this 1,200-watt cleaner penetrates deep into surfaces, removing up to 99.9% of stains and bacteria, all without chemicals. It's safe for homes with kids and pets, and the high heat ensures quick drying without water streaks. The 3 adjustable steam levels let you fine-tune performance: low for delicate hardwood, medium for everyday messes, and high for stubborn buildup on tile or grout. Its 23-foot power cord allows you to move freely from room to room, while the 450 milliliters, 15.2 ounces, water tank provides up to 30 minutes of continuous steam, so you can clean more without stopping to refill. Built with premium aluminum tubing, it's sturdier and more durable than standard plastic models. The adjustable height makes cleaning easier on your back, and its ergonomic handle ensures comfortable control. Plus, it includes 2 reusable microfiber pads and a carpet glider, making it perfect for hardwood, laminate, tile, marble, and even carpets. Customers praise its quick heat-up time, strong steam output, and light, easy-to-handle design. Many highlight how well it works on bathroom tiles and kitchen floors, calling it a great all-around cleaner. This is perfect for anyone who wants powerful, chemical-free cleaning with flexibility and comfort in design. If you like the Nugo, you'll love how the Sprobel levels up with even stronger steam and better durability. You can grab it now on Amazon via the links in the description. At number 3, we have the Scrubwiz 10-in-1 Steam Mop Cleaner. cleaner, a true multitasking powerhouse for your home cleaning needs. This high-performance steamer heats up in just 10 seconds and reaches a blazing 248 degrees Fahrenheit, using high-pressure steam to blast away dirt, grease, and tough stains from nearly any surface, all without the use of harsh chemicals. Equipped with 2 adjustable steam levels, the ScrubWiz gives you precise control whether you're doing light cleaning or deep scrubbing. Its 10 versatile attachments and 350 milliliters water tank make it perfect for tackling everything from floors and carpets to windows, stoves, grout, clothes, and even your car's interior. Designed for comfort and convenience, it features a detachable handheld steamer, adjustable mop head angle, and extension pipes that easily switch between a full-length mop and a compact handheld cleaner. With a 13-foot-per-meter cord, you can move freely between rooms without constantly unplugging. Safety is a top priority. It includes an anti-dry burn feature that automatically alerts you if the water runs out. Plus, it's eco-friendly and family-safe, using nothing but water to clean, making it ideal for homes with kids and pets. Customers love its fast heat-up time, lightweight design, and powerful cleaning performance. Many say it removes grime from tile, laminate, and grout effortlessly, saving them hours of manual scrubbing. If you're looking for a compact yet versatile steam cleaner that can handle floors, carpets, windows, and everything in between, the ScrubWiz is a must-have. It's perfect for busy households that want a safe, quick, and chemical-free cleaning experience. Don't forget, all the best buying links are in the description. Up next, a steam mop that steps it up with even stronger steam power and more customization for every surface. Stay tuned. At number 2, we have the 11-in-1 steam cleaner for home, a complete cleaning solution that's as versatile as it is powerful. Whether you're refreshing your floors, sanitizing furniture, or tackling tough kitchen grease, this all-in-one handheld steam mop is designed to handle it all with ease. Equipped with 11 multifunctional accessories, including an angle nozzle, brass brush, and window cleaning tool, this steamer lets you deep clean a wide variety of surfaces, from hardwood, tile, and carpet to glass, clothing, sinks, and stoves. Heating up to a powerful 260 degrees Fahrenheit, it effortlessly removes 99.9% of dirt, grime, and bacteria. No harsh chemicals required. Just fill it with water and enjoy safe, eco-friendly cleaning that's gentle on your home and your loved ones. The 15.2-ounce removable water tank provides up to 45 minutes of continuous steam, so you can clean large areas without frequent refills. Plus, the adjustable steam control gives you the flexibility to tailor the steam level to your cleaning needs. Gentle for delicate floors, strong for stubborn messes. Its adjustable height, 120 degrees and 90 degrees swivel design make cleaning under furniture and into corners a breeze. No more back strain. And with a 23 feet ultra-long power cord, you can cover multiple rooms without switching outlets. When you're done, the self-standing design and cord hook make storage quick and tidy. Customers love its fast heat-up time, lightweight build, and powerful cleaning performance. Many mention how it's easy to assemble in under 5 minutes and praise its versatility across different surfaces. If you're looking for a budget-friendly, all-in-one steam cleaner that can handle floors, furniture, and beyond, this 11-in-1 steam mop is an excellent choice. For the latest prices, check the links in the description. Up next, our number 1 pick, a high-performance steam cleaner that takes versatility, power, and durability to the next level. At number 1, we have the ActVac 6-in-1 steam cleaner, a powerful and efficient steam mop designed to make deep cleaning effortless and chemical-free. With its 1200W motor, this steam cleaner heats up in just 15 seconds, transforming regular water into high-pressure steam that tackles dirt, grease, and grime with ease. One full 400 milliliters tank provides up to 30 minutes of continuous cleaning, making it ideal for both quick touch-ups and larger cleaning sessions. Featuring dual cleaning modes, the ActVac gives you the flexibility to adjust the steam intensity for different surfaces and mess types. The 23-foot power cord ensures extended reach across rooms, while the 180 degrees horizontal and 135 degrees vertical rotating mop head makes cleaning corners, edges, and under furniture effortless. Plus, the 3-section detachable pole allows you to adjust the height for comfortable cleaning. No bending or straining required. Its detachable water tank is easy to refill, leak-resistant, and the washable microfiber pads make post-cleaning maintenance simple. With 5 versatile attachments, this 6-in-1 steam Mop handles everything from hardwood, laminate, and marble floors to bathroom tiles, kitchen stoves, windows, and even light ironing, giving you a true multi-surface cleaning solution. Customers praise its lightweight design, quick heat-up time, and effective cleaning power. Many note how it leaves floors spotless without harsh chemicals, making it a favorite for homes with children and pets. The ActVac 6-in-1 steam cleaner is perfect for homeowners seeking a powerful, flexible, and eco-friendly cleaning tool. Its compact design and multiple attachments make it ideal for anyone who wants to replace harsh cleaners with pure steam for a healthier, fresher home. If this stood out to you, check the links below for the latest prices. That's it for our picks for the best steam mops for US homes. Perfect for sparkling clean floors without harsh chemicals. Want something simpler and budget-friendly? Watch this video on the best flat mops, easy to use and lightweight for quick cleanups.